Big data day today before the long weekend starts for the U.S. We got Jim Wyckoff coming up. But first, we got a little teaser for you of what to expect for Freedom Fest coming up next week. And of course, joining me now is Jim Wyckoff. Jim, thanks for coming on today.
Hello, Alex. Always nice to be with you.
All right, Jim, big data day today. We saw jobless claims extend over what was expected. Now, what did you make of gold's moves today?
Well, Alex, in overnight trading, we already saw gold under some significant selling pressure on profit taking from recent gains. Then we did see the hotter than expected U.S. jobs number, which extended those losses. But prices have come back a little bit as we speak. We haven't done any chart damage. The hotter than expected ADP jobs report we saw on Wednesday somewhat mitigated the effect of the jobs report from the Labor Department on Thursday. But all in all, we're just seeing a bit of profit taking. The gold market bulls still have the technical advantage.
Now, you mentioned in your AM report that the data that we've been seeing the last couple of days is sort of what the Fed's been looking for, the sort of growth that they're looking for. Now, based on what we saw today, is this just more music to the Fed and Janet Yellen's ears?
Yeah, what we're seeing, Alex, is just a gradual improvement in the health of the U.S. economy, and that kind of is what the Fed wants to see. However, the Federal Reserve, as evidenced by officials' comments this week, still wants to keep interest rates lower. Probably not going to see any movement on interest rates by the Fed until sometime next year.
Now, stuck in all this is the ECB not changing their rate decision. News came out early this morning, but no one really focused on it. It wasn't a focal point for any analysts really in the market today. Now, I mean, what do you make of it?
Yeah, it was overshadowed by the jobs report. And also, Alex, the ECB made their monetary policy move last month in easing monetary policy. So they're probably going to take a break for a little while. However, economic data coming out of the European Union remains troublesome, generally downbeat. I suspect that the ECB will still be formulating plans to jumpstart the European Union economy, so we'll still have to watch that situation.
Is this maybe a sign of what's to come, that maybe we're just focusing more on geopolitics right now in Europe instead of economic data?
Well, we'll just have to see, Alex. I mean, we do have a long U.S. holiday weekend approaching. That gives one more day for any unexpected geopolitical events to occur. That could prompt some risk-off trading yet on Thursday in the U.S. and on Friday worldwide. But certainly there are two important fronts: the European Union's economy, geopolitics, and the U.S. economy.
All right, Jim, let's move on to your Wyckoff market ratings for gold and silver this week.
Alex, I'm giving both gold and silver a Wyckoff's market rating of 6. Both of those markets are in near-term price uptrends. For August COMEX gold, we've got resistance at this week's high of 1335, solid support at 1305. For December COMEX silver, we've got resistance at 2186, solid support at 2070.
That was great, Jim. Thank you for your time. Have a good long weekend.
All right. Thanks, Alex. Bye-bye.
And thank you for watching this edition of Technically Speaking with Jim Wyckoff. Remember, Freedom Fest coverage starts July 9th through July 12th. Make sure you stay tuned for our coverage. Have a nice weekend.